Hi, this is Pawanpreet, gymnastic coach.
Hi, my name is Samaira.
She is my gymnast. We are going to do a few body movements, exercises from head to toe. So we are going to start journal exercises. Shall we start, Samaira? Thank you. So the first exercise is neck up and down. Neck up, down, up, down. While doing this exercise, the chin should be touched to the neck and up, that your head should be touched to the back, down, up. We need to do this 6 times. Then after that, we need to change the exercise. Now we are going to do side to side. Your chin try to touch on the shoulder this way. Complete side to side. Yes. Avoid lifting your shoulder and turn. Left, right, right, left, right, left. Look straight. Look straight while doing exercise. Body should be straight. No movement in body. Very good. Now after that we are going to do side movement again, but in a different manner. You try to touch your ear on the shoulder without lifting your shoulders. Very good. Each and every exercise you need 6 minimum repetition, 10 maximum. Now we are going to start rotation. So rotation always start from the down and back and finish it there. Again we need 4 to 6 rotations, then opposite side. Now change your side. First we start from the right to left. Now we need to do from left to right. Completely पीछे देखेंगे turn करके up, 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 up. Very good. Avoid shaking your body. Body should be steady. Keep your hands on the waist and do only neck movement very slowly. So 4 to 5 repetitions we need. Now we are done with the upper part. We are moving towards to the hands movement, arms. So the first exercise is one arm opposite side up and down, up and down. Body should be straight. We did not need any movement in the body, only hands and little bit arc in your body. This. Arms should be straight. 6 to 10 repetition. Then after that, we are going to change the exercise. So we are going to start from here to here. Little bit twist in the back. Little bit twist. Continue. Yes. Good job, Smila. So when we are doing this exercise, look behind to your tip, to your fingertip. 6 to 10 repetition we need to do. Then broad and complete open. Bend, open. Bend, open. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. So you need to stand straight. Avoid shaking. So one time, hands up, open, down, open and completely open. Very good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now rotation. Forward rotation. Forward rotation. 1, 2, 3. Stand straight. Only shoulder will move. Yes. And backward. Now back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, the exercise will be the similar. Same. Keep your hands straight. Bend. Keep it on your shoulder. Join your elbows and start rotating behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Good job. We are done with the upper part. Now, little bit arms and a little bit of lower back. So हमारा थोड़ा Barbie doll exercise. Join your legs a bit. Yes, little bit. Open. Legs apart, shoulder level. How much your shoulder is? The leg should be apart according to the shoulder. Now hands straight. This we call Barbie doll. So this exercise, go down, again lift up, go down. Now this exercise will perform like this. So this ये hand यहाँ पर आएगा on your this shoulder and this hand go behind. Again from here open, turn, twist this way. It's okay. So now we are going to start with the back movements like torso movements. We are done with the upper part, we are done with the arms part. Now the turn of torso. One arm up, first exercise, keep your hand on the side, on your waist, and hand should be inner side, close to the ear, and this palm is inside, not this way, it should be this way. Now bend. Yes, one. Now little bit pulse. Okay. Twice. Pulse. Your body keep pulsing. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. This we need to do total number of 10 to 12. 5 to 6 each side. So both sides we need to do. Then after completion of this exercise, keep your hand behind. Same exercise for more and better impact, we need to do this. Keep your hand behind without support, because when we keep our hands here, we are supporting our back. So when we keep our hand behind, so we are not supporting, it's an independently. Now do independent. Very nice. Go, keep doing. Yes, keep your legs straight, very well done. Now, keep your both the hands down. So this way, you can take one hand up, this way, go as longer as go, as deeper as deep you can go. This, and this, that's it. So for this exercise again you need the same repetition, 10 to 12 both the sides. So after this, now twisting. And opposite side. Yes, very good. Okay. Now we are done with these from head, from arms and the torso. Now we are going towards jumping elements. Oh yes, so sorry Samaya, thank you for correcting me. So now go down, touch your toes, come up, keep your hands on the back, this way, show this way. So this way and slowly support your back. As much as slow and easy you can go down. Very good. Again, you need to do 10 times. Go down and back. Down and back. Down and back. Now we will move towards jumping. Okay. So first is always twisting, 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 or little bit jumping, jumping, bit little, small, small. Relax your body. Yes. Good. Now we are going to start jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 jumps are good enough in initial stage, but later on we will definitely do maximum number 20, minimum number 10. But in this again, you have to do it on your toes. If you can see, this girl, Samaira, is doing it on the toes. 5 jumping jacks, Samaira. So if you focus, she's balancing on the toes. Good job. Now, next, other jumping elements are, you need to learn how to jump on the single leg. Yes, she is also learning. Yes, we need to jump on one leg. This touchdown up, touchdown up, touchdown up. That's okay. So same way on the other leg. Very good. Yeah, basically this exercise is for the coordination. So coordination between both the hands and the legs, and between both the legs, like one is staying and one is jumping, and obviously both the brains will work in that. So after that we need to do this, or you can do this also. In standing movement, starting initially we'll do standing movement. Opposite, 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 opposite. So what we are doing, we are touching opposite elbow, opposite knee, opposite elbow, opposite knee, this way. Very good. After finishing the jumping, now the stretching part is left. So we are going to do stretching elements, stretching exercises. First, we need to go down slowly and bend over twist. We are going to do this and this, this and this. So in this element, we need to take a little small stance. That's it. And when we are touching, look up. This. Very good. Now other side. Yes. Now the same exercise will be in a little fast movement. Look up. No need to come completely up. You need to do this, this, this. Very well done. Very well done. Good job, Samaira. So again, this minimum 10, maximum 20. So after this, we are going to do little bit of sitting up. Legs little close, close. So go down completely and try to sit this way. Again, stand up, Samaira. Legs little close, that's it. Now touch your hands down. Yes, now slowly sit behind on your seat. This we call seat. Yes, completely down, down. We will sit aram se. Very good. This way. Perfect, Samaira. This is very good element for adductor, abductor, for flexibility, and definitely for the pelvis movement.
Pancakes.
So again, look at me carefully. Let them straight, stand straight. Little bit open from your shoulder. So my shoulder is this much, my stance will be this, but I need to open little bit more. So now hands up, slowly go down while stretching your legs. So slowly start sitting behind this way. Now once you are sit, and you can close your hands and sit nicely and hold in this position. Now again put your hands down, slowly come up. Once you are comfortable in this position, now legs little close from the older stance, little close, exactly a shoulder level. So again touch your hands down, slowly go behind and sit in this stance. Seat down, Yes. So, this is the one exercise. So again, legs open. Now we are going to do side lunges. Very good, Samaira. Now lift your body up and go to the other side. So side lunge. Again. So we are telling you to do it like keep your hands on the floor first for the comfortness, because you all are new and you are learning. So otherwise this exercise will be happen when our hands in the air. We are performing this way. Perfect, Samaira. But right now you need to focus, keep your hands on the floor to avoid injury, to avoid any kind of emergency. So use your hands, keep your hands on the floor and then do it. From here, basically, so you go this side and do lunge stretch or hip flexor we call. Hip flexor. बेटा वो वाला नहीं करेंगे, वो डिफिकल्ट है ना अभी सबके लिए. So we need to do the simple वाला. So this way. So we are done with the head to toe all the exercises and all the elements.